Hello and welcome to another edition of the Fox C-6 Strong Minute. Last weekend, the Antonia Elementary PTO held a mother-son bowling night at Imperial Bowl. 215 participants had a great evening bowling and making memories together. This week, 5th grade Reach students participated in a 5th grade fly-up event where they met with current middle school students at their feeder middle schools to learn about what to expect next school year. What a great experience for these students. On Friday, Fox High School Project Lead the Way teachers hosted a Women in STEM event for girls interested in a career in STEM. Students learned about different career options in STEM fields, including forensic analysts, aerospace engineers, and data analysts. Additionally, recent Fox High School graduates who are in college preparing for STEM-related careers spoke to those in attendance. Finally, elementary schools around the district, in conjunction with their parent clubs, held Santa shops this week to give students an opportunity to buy gifts for family and friends. Thank you to our amazing parent clubs for organizing these events for our students. Have a great day, Fox C6.